Okay, good afternoon. This is Tony Hayes again from Paranormal Investigation UK. The date is the 27th of October. We're again reviewing another video CCTV alarm footage which is coming from the Cheshire investigation from the Sunday the 25th of October. This is the second one of the day. The previous one was around about 1:05 in the morning. This one is at 3:55. The previous one, it was done the alarm came because one of these fluorescent covers had come adrift and fell, causing a large bang. I've had a quick review of this one on Media Play, and there is quite a substantial bang on this one as well, so we're going to look at this one. I'm going to leave both the video and the sound up, so we can, let's get straight into this one. Let's see if we can uncover something. Ooh, that is loud. Okay, let me just go back to see anything. Okay. I'm not sure with that noise. It sounds similar to the raps that have been captured in this particular room since May, really. We have noticed that the volumes of these raps are getting increasing in volume, so I'll be interested in this one to see if this runs a similar sort of sound frequency. Okay, so there's nothing visual at all. Let me just go back, make sure I've not cut that a bit early, really. No, that's fine, nothing visual. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unlink that and get rid of that. Right, I'm just going to deal with the audio. You see it there. It's not. If you look at this is movie 185. If you look at 184, you'll see me where I've analysed that one. That's a lot louder. This is sort of similar territory as the rap that we've been capturing. So let's just see what this gives us frequency wise. Yeah. Okay. Let's go listen one more time. Yeah. Quite a number of reflections there of the sound because it's increasing volume. I'll look at that one more carefully in a second. What I'm now going to do is turn it up. The volume, that is, amplify that. Because what we're actually finding is we get a rap and something else then occurs. There's nothing visual, so I'm just wondering if there's anything audible that might be on the recording. That hiss is just the background you get with this particular microphone. It's a bit noisy. That's amplified that quite loud. It's around about 12 decibels higher in volume. No, that's fine. So I think we can be confident that that is the only sound that we've got. So I'm going to take the amplification back off, leave that there, get rid of this section. Okay, nothing there, just concentrate on this particular one. Okay, there's no volume amplification at all, that's incredibly loud. These are sound reflections because it's so loud now, the vibration from different other sources, roof, not so much the floor, but certainly the walls. So the raps that we're currently used to is between around about 800 to 1000 hertz. It's that sort of number. We've got a little bit extra low end, and I think that's just simply because the raps have got increasing volume. These are reflections. There was no explanation for these noises whatsoever, but this is very similar to the last 2, maybe 4 raps that we've had, which have been that sort of loudness, and we're seeing the frequency change obviously because the volume is much higher, and it gives the ability of the sound to bounce back off flat surfaces. So interesting one. Okay, right, I shall see you on the next one.